in A. Given the sequence minus 6, minus 2, 2, and 6, right? Find Tn. So obviously the first thing you would have to do is for you to establish the type of sequence this is. Is it an arithmetic sequence? Is it a geometric sequence? So now if you guys look at this closely, we see that this is an arithmetic sequence. Why? Because they're at like the same number between successive terms. You actually realize that for them to move from minus 6 to minus 2, they added a 4. For them to move from minus 2 to 2, they added a 4. They also added a 4 onto 2 to get the 6. If you don't see it with the naked eye, as I told you, you just go the next number minus the previous number. So minus 2 minus the previous number. What is the previous number? Minus 6. This gives us positive 4. Now it means that they added a 4 onto minus 6 to get a minus 2. We do the same there just to check if it's the same. Like it's the same number. So we go 2 minus the previous number. Here's the previous number. It's minus 2. Gives a 4. Same there gives us a 4. So therefore, this is an arithmetic sequence. Question asks us to find Tn. So we know that the Tn of an arithmetic sequence is different color, follows this formula. Tn equals a plus d n minus 1. A is the first term, which was minus 6. Memory, I'm not going to go back and check. You have to trust your memory. D is 4, n minus 1. Minus 6, we multiply the 4. 4 times 4n is 4n. 4 times n is 4n. 4 times minus 1 is minus 4. Take the variable in front, put these two together, gives us minus 10. So did we all get this general term of 4n minus 10? All of us, yeah? Thumbs up? All right. All right, got that? Excuse me there. We move to the next question. It says, find S3 manually. So S3, S means the sum of, so 3 means the sum of the first 3 terms of this sequence. So I told you that you basically add them. So S3, or S3, why am I pronouncing it that way? Minus 6 plus minus 2 plus 2, right? Now, this is just minus 6. Minus and a plus gives us a minus. Remember, a plus and a plus, minus and minus, when they're the same, they'll always give you a plus, right? But when they're different, they always give you a minus. So this will give us, this here will give us a minus. 2 plus 2 there. This simplifies to an answer of minus 6. Now, a shortcut to this would have been, as I told you, just go minus 6, ne? And then what comes after, you just write it as they appear. Minus 2, then 2. Obviously, what's in front of 2 is just plus. This will give you minus 6. All of us got that. Let's go ahead and use the formula for S3. Rather, find S3 using the formula for the sum of an arithmetic series or sequence. Okay, the instant, so we're looking for S3. The instant you substitute, I told you, you change the square bracket to curly brackets. Two. Instead of you writing 3 minus 1, just write 2 to save time. This should give you an answer of minus 6. Did we all get the answer of minus 6 there? Yebo, yebo, yebo. Yes. Now, lastly, it says evaluate. Evaluate, yes. The sum from 1 to 4 of Tn, where Tn is the nth term of the sequence above. So I could rewrite this as, is it 3n? Yeah, 4n minus 10. As 4n minus 10, and I put n minus 1 there, and a 4 there. So how do I evaluate? I understand what this thing is. So it's equal to 4. Then you substitute the first number there. That's 1. That's what appears there first. Minus 10. You just substitute this into that. And then, yeah, continue. This means summation. This whole thing means summation. You're adding everything starting from n equal to 1, substituting from n equal to 1. Move to the next one, plus 4, the next number, 2 minus 10, plus 4, the next number is 3, minus 10, plus the last one is 4 there, minus 10. Right, this should give you, this will give you minus 6. This should give you minus 2. This should give you plus 2. This should give you 6 plus 6. So this will be 0. This is just S4. Do you guys see that this is just S4? This just says find S4. Are you all happy with that explanation that we're just basically finding S4? That's what that thing means. Adding the first 4 terms of the sequence. Delicious, ne? Please, if you do not understand, you're free to ask. So I'm going to save this.